The uplifting news we disclosed to Mercedes' resolute advertising man is that we can promise you a comparo win. So there it is, furious letter atheists, we do fix these things. Or possibly we did in this apples-to-pears challenge, propelled with an assumption. It would be an extend to call it a hypothesis, as that may recommend the use of logical technique. At the beginning, however, we conjectured that setting an E-class wagon against an also measured utility vehicle, the GLE-class, would bring about a triumph for the previous. What's more, it did. Be that as it may, this comparo isn't such a great amount about deciding the victor as it is tied in with clarifying why the wagon won. Why, undoubtedly, with the expectation that we may persuade you, the auto purchasing open and perhaps the car-making organizations that station wagons ought to legitimately represent the more noteworthy offer of offers against hybrids. Does this qualify as administration newscasting? Give us a chance to answer that. Indeed. We looked at Mercedes-Benz's on the grounds that the all-new 2017 E-class wagon speaks to the zenith of the species. The Benz Mercedes lets us know is most supported by those outside workers in the best assessment section of 39.6%. See what I mean? Being rich means you're shrewd? All things considered, the vast majority looking for a Benz smaller pick rather for a GLE, which beats the wagon by a 23-to-1 proportion. The recent M-Class, the principal Mercedes-Benz SUV offered in the U.S., has since taken after the pattern in moving its introduction from 4X for junkie to hybrid. While the present emphasis has been available since the 2012 model year, the name changed from M-Class to GLE for 2016 and our AMG GLE43 variation is new for 2017. Its marquee highlight is the twin-turbo 3.0-liter V6 that has been muscling its way between the front bumpers of most any Benz that'll have it. This college kid makes 360 to drive and 384 pound-feet of torque in the GLE43. It's likewise in the engine of the E400 Wagon, yet with a less forceful tune and no AMG upgrades where it promises 33 less drive and 30 pound-feet less torque. In the two vehicles, torque is steered to each of the four wheels through a 9-speed transmission. Base costs are inside 8% of each other, or not as much as the cost of their designated restorative redesigns that assistants drive the window stickers above $85K. In any case, valuing is irrelevant, as the more extensive thought here is that Mercedes apparently utilized a similar rubric in outlining and building the two machines, along these lines killing factors outside of body style. This should enable us to illustrate, with no shred of predisposition, that wagons run and hybrids dribble.